Welcome to Tally Learning Hub. In this session, you'll learn about powerful accounting reports in Tally Prime. The reports we'll discuss today are cash or bank books, ledger report, sales register, other registers. Let's start with a tip. To quickly view any reports in Tally Prime, simply press Alt+G for Go To and type the name of the report you want to view. It's such a powerful tool that helps you search and find the things you didn't know Tally could do for you and discover new insights to run your business better. To view cash or bank books, type cash and select cash or bank books from the list. Let's see another way to navigate to this report. Press Escape and go back to Gateway of Tally. Press D for Display More Reports, Account Books, Cash or Bank Books. Here, Cash Book, referred as cash in hand, displays all the transactions that affect cash. Similarly, all transactions that involve a bank, including deposits, credits, withdrawals, and so on, are displayed under bank accounts. Press Enter on ICICI Bank Ledger to view monthly transactions summary. You can drill down to any of these months to view the transaction details by simply pressing Enter. Here, you can view the actual transactions recorded using the bank ledger along with closing bank balance. To add running balance, press F12 for Configure and enable Show Running Balance. Here is a tip for you. Using Basic of Values option available in the side menu, you can change parameters that affect the values in all the reports you see in Tally Prime. Let's say you want to include the post-dated vouchers in the current report. Simply press Ctrl+B for Basis of Values. Press Enter to enable or disable or change the parameters that you want to see in the report. I'm enabling Include Post-Dated Vouchers using Enter. Press Escape to go back to report. Now you can see the recomputed report bases the new parameters in less than a second. Next report we'll discuss is ledger reports. To view ledger report, press Alt+G for Go To, type ledger and select Ledger Reports, Ledger Vouchers. Select the ledger account for which you want to see the details. All the transactions related to the selected ledger account will be visible here. Now that you are viewing the ledger report of the party, it's quite natural that you wanted to view the pending invoices of the party. Tally Prime is flexible to understand this and allows you to change the context of the business reports you are viewing. To change the view, press Ctrl+H for Change View. Select Bill-Wise. Amazing! At a click of a button, you can change the view of business reports the way it suits you. Once you have done your analysis, press Escape to come back to the same report. Next, let's learn how to print the confirmation of accounts, which as practice, most businesses send their account statement to match the books with the customers, suppliers, etc. To print the confirmation of accounts, press Ctrl+P, the shortcut key to print current report. Press C for Configure. In report type, select Confirmation of Accounts. Set the additional information as required. Press Escape to exit the print configuration. Press I to preview the confirmation of account statement. Press Alt+Z to zoom. Now press Escape to exit the zoom. Again, press Escape to exit the preview mode and P to print. Exception Reports option on the side menu bar highlights the odd details based on the context of the report. To see such details, press Ctrl+J for Exception Reports. Select the exception you want to view. I'm selecting Sales Order. Now you will get to see the sales orders that are pending to the party whose ledger report you were viewing. The next important accounting report we'll see is Sales Register. To see the sales register, You can simply use Go To, or you can navigate and view the report from Accounts Book. Press Escape and go back to Accounts Book. Select Sales Register. This is the monthly summary of sales. Press Enter on any of the months to see the details. All the sales transactions recorded in the selected month are shown here. If you want to see the profitability of each sales transaction, press F7 for Show Profit. To view the sales register in columnar format, press F8 for columnar. Enable the details you want to see. Select all items in type of column, automatic columns. Enter and accept to view the columnar report. Press Alt plus F5 to see in detailed. Now, press Escape to view other registers. Using the similar navigation, you can see all other registers such as Purchase Register, Journal Register, Credit Note Register, Debit Note Register, and other registers. Here is a recap of reports we discussed. Viewing bank books and ledger books, printing confirmation of account statement, basic of values, change view, and exception reports to discover more insights. Viewing sales register with profitability and in columnar style. You can access all these reports from a web browser on any device, anywhere.